guys, Les here with Rudimental Gardening. So I thought I'd throw a tip out here for you and see. I know some people have tried this, but last year I did it for the first time, and it was pretty successful, so I'm doing it again this year. You can see I have all my plants on my plant stands here in my grow bags. I grow exclusively in grow bags, and so I have all my tomatoes here, and they're doing really well. I already got some tomatoes coming up, and they seem to be handling the heat so far. But what I did, I planted a zucchini and a yellow squash plant, and I'm interplanting those amongst these tomato plants. So you can see right back here, I got my zucchini growing, and over here I got my yellow squash stuck back here. Now, of course, these are going to get bigger and take up a lot of space, so I'm going to have to space these out probably as they grow. But what I found was, you know how the tomato plants put off a pretty good pheromone of their own and have a strong scent to them, and I think that throws off this squash vine borer moth when he's flying around and confuses him. So we all hate the squash vine borer. We know that they wreak havoc every year on everybody's squash, zucchini, melons, just anything with a hollow stem basically. And I'm hoping this will help deter that. So just thought I'd throw this tip out there, maybe something you want to try. And interplanting works with several things, I think, as far as pests go. So keep that in mind when you're planting your crops. And I hope your gardens are doing great this spring and summer. And good luck to you on everything that you're doing. And I'll catch you on the next tip. Thanks a lot.